Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about our third video in our series Secrets of a Feminine Personality. And today the topic of this video is about the secrets of a confident female power. You see, we women have been for a long time going through this phase of oppression, depression, and there is a lot of criticism around us. एंड बहुत सालों से हम अपने आप को वो कांस्टेंट ऑपरेशन में लेकर जा रहे हैं, जिसकी वजह से द वे वी आर ट्रू पावर्स आर जस्ट नॉट रिफ्लेक्टेड थ्रू आर पर्सनैलिटीज़. And it is important that we should be discussing about how we can be more confident the way we are, because many a times, since we are controlling our own emotions and everything around us, our even natural way of expressing our feelings also are being controlled by us internally, we are losing on confidence for a long time. And believe me, this self-confidence which is getting destructed over this longer period of time, it is actually taking us down. Okay, and taking us down with respect to our self-worth and self-esteem as well. So how can we work upon our self-confidence? I will tell you 7 secrets to it. Okay, the first and very important thing before we go on to these secrets is, like Eleanor Roosevelt said this thing: no one can make you feel inferior without your consent. And it is very much true that start owning yourself and don't let anyone, not including your own inner voice, inner critic, control you and demean you and make you feel inferior about you. And this is the first secret behind, right? That you should actually be mindful about your inner voice. What is your inner critic saying to you? And please do the analysis whether whatever the points is being told to you by your inner voice, your inner critic, does it hold true? Evaluate it, analyze it, and then only take further steps. Okay, sometimes it is just rubbish what our inner critic is telling us, and start giving them a shut up call there itself. Okay, this is the first secret: be mindful. Second is, what is your life purpose? What is your bigger purpose in this life? What do you want to achieve? And it is important that you first identify your goal, because until unless you do not identify your goal, you are going haywire. You don't know your goal, and in that way you are actually not realizing where you need to put your potentials into, where you need to put your energies into. And since you do not have any idea, you're just living your life every day recklessly. So please be mindful about what is your life purpose, what you want to achieve in this life, and find out ways of achieving it. That will again build that confidence. Since we are working with a goal and with a vision in our mind, then only we will be able to have that kind of a success and that confidence in us. Okay, next, third secret is own your own thoughts. Why I'm saying this? Because many a times we have the solutions inside us. Our inner soul gives us that solution, but we do not own our thoughts. We feel, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, मैं अभी बोलूँ नहीं बोलूँ, क्या बोलूँ, क्यों बोलूँ, बोलना है या नहीं बोलूँ, ये सारी चीज़ें हमारे दिमाग में चलती रहती हैं, और जिसकी वजह से हम अपने ही जो चीज़ें हमने सोची होती हैं, जो वर्थ होती हैं, मगर हम नहीं बोल पाते. और वही चीज़ हमारे सामने वाला अगर कोई बोल देगा तो हम सोचेंगे, यार ये चीज़ तो मैंने भी सोची थी. I also thought of the same thing, but I didn't had the courage to say it. And because you didn't take that onus of your own thoughts and responsibility of your own thoughts, that's why your confidence is going down. So you start taking that onus, that your thoughts are your responsibility and you need to tell everyone in order to show your charm, right? Next is rely on your strengths. every person has their own set of strengths and weaknesses. Please identify what are your strengths and start embracing them, start grilling them, and make them more enriching, make them more worthy, that people start relying you on your strengths because of whatever you have right now. Okay, and please also find out what are your weaknesses and start working them in order to come out of them and convert them into your strengths. Okay, it is very much important that you start realizing your strengths and weaknesses in order to have that kind of a confidence. Next thing is that you need to start investing yourself. Why it is important? We all go through a formal education through our lifetime. 20-22 साल हमारी जो उम्र है हम अपनी एजुकेशन में लगाते हैं. उसके बाद हमें अपने आप पे इन्वेस्ट करने की क्या ज़रूरत है? हमने इतने साल लगाए तो हैं, ठीक है, ज़रूरत है, क्योंकि वहाँ जो हमें सिखाया गया था वो बेसिक एजुकेशन थी. आज की तारीख में वो बेसिक एजुकेशन अगर अपग्रेडेड स्किल सेट के साथ कंबाइन की जाती है, यू कैन हैव द बेनिफिट ऑफ सिनर्जी. By training yourself, by upgrading yourself every time, you are becoming a better version of your own self, and you can actually vouch for your talent, you can vouch for your strengths, and you can stand strong in front of people and say, okay boss, I know this thing, I am aware of this whole business and everything around what is happening, and you can say it with more confidence. Okay, next is ignoring your outer criticism, your outer critics. दुनिया है, कुछ तो बोलेगी, अच्छा करोगे तब भी बोलेगी, नहीं करोगे तब भी बोलेगी, हर एस्पेक्ट्स पे उसका अपना एक व्यू पॉइंट होगा. डोंट बॉदर अबाउट देम. कौन से हमारे रिश्तेदार लग रहे हैं जिनके बारे में सोचें इतना? क्यों ज़रूरत है सोचने की? ठीक है, सो प्लीज़ डोंट बॉदर अबाउट द क्रिटिक्स अराउंड यू, एंड इनफैक्ट यूज़ देम एज अ फ्यूल, जो आपको और एनर्जी दें कि आप और बैंग ऑन तरीके से आप अपना काम कर सकें और स्फूर्ति के साथ आप अपने आप को साबित कर सकें. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज एम्ब्रेस योर प्रोग्रेस एंड डू नॉट कंपेयर योर सेल्फ विद अनदर पर्सन और देयर सक्सेस. आपकी सक्सेस, आपके जितने भी सक्सेस के क्राइटेरियाज हैं वो आपकी लाइफ से रिलेटेड हैं. You cannot compare yourself with others. So whatever you have in your kitty, just embrace it. Through one of the trainings I had gone through, and this was very much made us learn, actually the instructor made us learn this thing very much effectively, that if you are going 3 steps ahead and going 2 steps back, you're still progressing. 1 step, you're still progressing. Okay, so keep on embracing that one step which you are taking towards your progress, and you are actually moving towards your success. These are the 7 mantras which I feel it is important for you to ignite your feminine powers, and I can vouch for it. If you are mindful of all these 7 mantras, I assure you that the success can't go anywhere from you. And believe me, women, you are worth a million. I repeat, you are worth a million, and please do not let that million go out of your kitty. On that note, this is Richa Chaturvedi, your empowerment coach and strategist. I urge you that you start liking my videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, go on Facebook, Empower Her by Richa Chaturvedi, go and like and follow that page. I am coming with a lot of ideas and activities to you. If you want to get in touch with me, go on my website www.richachaturvedi.in. On that note, this is Richa Chaturvedi signing off. Thank you.